I have some friend mail, so we are going to open this box. This is from a very special friend. It is Laura from the Crafty Chef Diamond, and she sent me some cookies. So let's open these and see what's in this box. I'm pretty excited. I'm thanking you in advance, Laura, for these cookies. I'm super excited. When she told me that she sent us some cookies, I got really excited. But when she told me that she, the famous Crafty Chef Diamond, made these cookies, I got even more excited. Oh, look, yay, and I have the full schedule of Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, the 2026 calendar of events. I'm so glad you sent this to me, Laura. Thank you. I've seen her show it in her videos several times, and I am on the Facebook group. So go check them out, Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, where they announce and share what diamond painting themes they're working on for the month. So like I started up the stained glass Chihuahua, Coco the stained glass Chihuahua in January, and I also started my mystery kit in January. And then in February, I did Love is in the Air. I joined them for the Hearts and Flowers. There's another kit that I wanted to do, Wildflowers, but I haven't been able to get that started yet. But as soon as I do, I'm going to use the hashtag Hearts and Flowers DP and post my progress updates in the Facebook group. The great thing about this group is that they have a new theme every month, but you are not obligated to do anything. If you want to share your progress or your completions, all they ask is that you use the hashtag when you put the photo in the Facebook group. So for March, they're doing planes, trains, automobiles, and they're celebrating both Nancy with Pampered with Diamonds and the Crafty Chef Diamond. Their birthdays are in March. I'm sure there are others, but anyhow, I need to figure out what I'm going to do in March. Like I said, I am going to I have a flower one that I want to do, and I meant to start it in February. I didn't, but I'm hoping I can still post my updates for those flowers in March. And then I have potentials for military and first responders in April. I don't have anything for May, but I do have a plan for June, and I can find something for July. So it's just fun. There's that list. And I have a card. Oh, look at this. This is so nice of you, Laura. Thank you. I did not expect this. She says, you mean so much, not only for being the warm-hearted person you are. Yay! I was going to tell you that I wanted these, so thank you. Diamond Painting with Friends. These are cover release papers. I'm so glad you sent them to me, Laura. Thank you. But also for the generous way you share your time and talents with others. Thank you, Laura, Crafty Chef Diamond. And it's so sweet of her. She's just saying thank you for the beautiful canvas that I sent her. I had one, and thank you for giving back to the community, your kindness and generosity, and for all you do. Happy crafting. That's so sweet of her. I had a canvas, and it felt like it just fit her, and it did. It was, you can go to her channel and check it out. She posted the canvas in one of her videos, but I'll link her channel down below. Thank you, Laura. And oh my goodness, I guess this is to keep it cold. No, oh my goodness. She knows that I love coffee. How special, Laura, thank you. Okay, y'all, I am just so touched. I did not expect this, but this is Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 coffee cup. And you know, that I'll be drinking some Joffrey's coffee in it because Laura turned me on to the Joffrey's coffee. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is what I thought I was just going to get cookies. Oh my goodness. Look. Okay, I'm not going to eat them here. Look, it's handmade. Oh, it smells delicious. And some chocolate with peanut butter. Look, how sweet. Laura, I know these cookies are going to be sweet. My husband loves peanut butter. I like it too. But I mean, when I'm saying my husband loves peanut butter, like, he's like Elvis Presley peanut butter. Laura, thank you so much. Look at these cookies. So many of them. And look, hand wrapped. You are just amazing. Oh, should I eat one? My husband's not home yet. Normally we'll have our sweets in the evening. Oh, I just want to. And they're soft. Okay, they've been in the, it's snowed today, but you all, I can't resist. I'm gonna take a bite on camera. I'm super excited. I'll just have a little bit of one. Look at that. Oh, so moist. Very good. Oh, heck yeah, y'all. Laura, are you selling these? You should sell your cookies. That is so good. I think it's a snickerdoodle. I love Snickers. Look. Girlfriend, thank you. Okay. I'm ruining my dinner, but it's worth it. Look, everyone, check them out. Diamond painting with friends. You need to get you some of these cookies, y'all. It's so good. I'm a weakness for sweets. Laura, mwah, a kiss to the chef. Thank you so much. You warm my heart. I love you, girl. I'm just touched and tickled. So, okay, enough of the emotion. I'm out of here. I'm going to go eat the rest of these cookies. Y'all have a great one. Thank you, Laura. Bye.